Right, we're going to take a look at styles in Excel. First of all, let's have a workbook open. Now, if you have Excel 2007 or later, you'll have the ribbon, and on the Home tab of the ribbon, you'll see that here we've got a button called Cell Styles. Now, at the moment, that's compressed. If we click on that, we'll see that there are some standard styles built into Excel. However, if we expand the Excel window, you'll see that that opens up a little bit, and some of those are visible right from the start. If I select a range of cells, we can see what those styles look like by hovering over the styles on the style button. And we can actually select any one of those we like. Just by clicking it, it applies the style to the current selection of cells. So there are some built-in styles there, and we may want to use those, but we can also create our own. So I'm going to select a range of cells, and we're going to call this header. This is the sort of thing that we would do to identify where we are in a model and what a particular section is for. And if we want to give that a background color and a font color, maybe make the font a bit bigger, and perhaps make it bold. If that's the style that we decide we want to use for all of our headers, then we can apply, we can create a style that has those attributes. So we click on New Cell Style here, and we'll call it Header 1, and you'll see here that there are some attributes in the dialog box. This is telling us which of those will be applied to that style. So if we don't want number style, a particular number format to be included in the style, so we can apply that separately, then we uncheck that. You also notice we've got protection down here. Protection is covered in another video, so take a look at that, but you can decide whether or not you want protection to be included in a particular style. Any of the other formatting attributes that you can normally apply to a style can also be included, that you normally want to apply to a cell can be included within a style. So we click on OK, and you'll see that we've got that new style included amongst the collection of styles up here under Custom. So if we then want to apply that anywhere else, we just click on the style, and it applies that to all the cells that we've currently got selected. So that's how to set up a style and basically how to use one. Now we've got another video called User-Friendly Models, and you may want to take a look at that. That covers a bit more how you might want to use styles. But let's have a look at how you can set up a standard set of your own styles and easily apply those to another model or another workbook. So let's just open up a clean workbook. Now I also have a file. I've got a workbook open which has some standard, our standard set of styles in it, and I want to import that into our new workbook. So if I click on the Merge Styles button here at the bottom of the styles set, and click on Examples 02, which is the file containing the styles, now you'll see up here that we've got a whole range of new styles that I've just pulled in from that other workbook. So you can set up a workbook that contains your standard set of styles, and it's easy to then pull those into any new workbook that you might create. And the sort of things we've got here are our own set of style headers, and we've got some input styles and so on. So all of those are easily applied. As I say, take a look at the user-friendly models video, and it will tell you a bit more there. Now, just before we leave the subject, you'll notice at the top here I've got a set of effectively shortcuts. This is called the Quick Access Toolbar, and on there I've got the styles as well. So if I'm on another tab and I can't see the styles dialog, then I can click on that and apply them without having to change the tab that I'm using at the moment. Okay, well I hope that's useful. That's all we've got to say on styles for the moment. Thanks for listening.